Welcome to this week's Split Tech City video. Today we're joined by Tadej Muršić from Slovenia. He's been here for the last 4 days running a design sprint methodology workshop in collaboration with SBI, which is the local student business incubator. So Tadej, tell us a bit more about yourself and your startup and you as an entrepreneur first of all.
All right. So I'm Tadej Muršić. I come from Maribor, Slovenia. My startup is called Aledio, and we're creating a commercial thermostat for non-residential buildings that will allow buildings to save great amounts of energy based on the data that we're going to crunch with the help of machine learning and other sensor input.
Perfect. Good. So this is at the moment based in Maribor, or are you working across Slovenia or the region?
No, we're based in Maribor at the moment, and everything we coordinate from there.
Cool. And are you looking to spread into the Croatian market?
We're then looking to spreading the Croatian market when the time is right, because this is a great area where we can test our product once the prototype is working and once we're ready for batch 0 and to gain feedback from it and later implement it into the final batch.
Perfect. So so obviously you use sprint methodology in your own products as well. Not everyone knows what design sprint methodology is. Can you kind of explain just in brief?
So the design sprint methodology has been developed by Jake Knapp from Google Ventures. He used to be the design partner at GV. And during his process of mentoring startups, he developed a 5-day training program where he made sure that the people understood the problem really well, and within a 5-day framework, they understood it, they sketched the idea, they voted on it, they literally made a prototype in 8 hours, and then they tested it with real users.
Okay.
So what his aim was to condense this period into really shorter time, and instead of building a full working product, he made him create a prototype, a facade of a prototype, and test it with real users so he can observe reactions as soon as possible. So
perfect. So I'm guessing this sprint methodology, 5 days, and it can be used across all sectors, including the tech sector.
Oh yeah, absolutely. You can use it to build products, services. You can use it internally as a process sprint, moonshot sprints, vision sprints. So it's basically a set of tools, a set of methods that you can use and apply according to what your challenge is and what outcomes do you need to reduce. So
Split Tech City kind of promotes the tech scene here in Split and encourage entrepreneurship across Split. So how would you say new startups or entrepreneurs could use this methodology in starting their company?
I think they can use it in early stage, like super early stage, at the moment where they are not attached to their idea or the output of their idea. So in the beginning, where they're trying to understand the user and to really learn what kind of problem they're solving, I'd urge everyone to use a sprint because the amount of work they're going to put in will be moderate, but the outcome, if the product they create or if the prototype is not okay, will come back very fast. So they'll be able to iterate really fast, and instead of like wasting 6 months or like 9 months of building a product, they can test it in like 2 weeks and ditch it if it's not okay and build something new.
Perfect. Well, thanks for explaining sprint methodology to us. We'll be linking around as always. Tadej shared some resources with us so you can find out more about sprint methodology and hopefully implement it into your own startup or with your own ideas. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you, Michael.
See you back in Split soon.
Right.
Cheers.
Thanks. Cheers.